Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to make ice cream. Yes, you heard it right. We are making ice cream at home. So recently when I went grocery shopping, I saw this ice cream premix there. And who doesn't love ice cream? So why not make it at home? I bought 2 packs of vanilla flavor, 100 grams each. Each pack needs 500 ml of milk separately. First one I'll make the classic vanilla flavor. To the other one I'll add my twist and make a chocolate flavor. So let's get started. First we will empty the contents in a pan. To this we will add 500 ml of milk and combine. I'm adding the milk gradually to avoid any lump. Once the mixture is combined, we will turn on the flame and let it come to a boil. Keep stirring continuously to avoid any lumps. The premix is already sweetened, so I'm not adding any extra sugar. You can add sugar according to your taste. Keep scraping the sides of the pan and stir continuously. Now that the mixture has boiled, I'm letting it cook for more 4 to 5 minutes in low flame. After 5 minutes, you can turn off the flame. Keep this aside to cool. Don't refrigerate it right away. Keep stirring and let it cool by itself. As the mixture cools down, it thickens. Here I am adding 1 teaspoon vanilla essence. This is totally optional. Once it cools down, we will transfer this to any container. The instructions in the pack says to refrigerate for 2 to 3 hours, but I refrigerated overnight, which actually gave best results. Meanwhile, let's make my favorite, the chocolate version. In a bowl, I am adding 2 teaspoons of cocoa powder. To this, I am adding milk gradually and mixing to avoid any lumps. Here, I have taken approximately around 1/4 cup of milk from the 500 ml pack. Once it's lump free, keep it aside. Now, we will take the second box of premix and we will repeat the same steps. Combine the premix with milk. We will strain the chocolate mix and add it to the ice cream mix. Turn on the flame and let it boil. Keep stirring continuously. Once it comes to a boil, lower the flame and add 50 to 60 grams of chocolate. Here I have taken milk chocolate. Let the chocolate melt. Once chocolate is melted, we will give this mixture 3 to 4 minutes to cook on medium flame. Keep aside and let it cool. We will follow the same steps like vanilla. After refrigerating, we will beat this with an electric beater, or you can also use a mixer or whisk by hand. Now we will add fresh cream 200 ml each and beat continuously for 2 to 3 minutes. We will repeat the same steps. You can see the fluffy, aerated texture of the ice cream. To add more flavor, I have added chocolate chunks. Now we will refrigerate for 8 hours or overnight. Here in total I used 1 liter of milk 500 ml each and 400 ml fresh cream 200 ml each, which gave me 2 liters of ice cream, almost the double quantity of ingredients used. The premix powder had a slight coconut fragrance, but the ice cream came out really well. My favorite one was the chocolate ice cream. You can definitely try this out. For more such videos, subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Links are in the description box. We will meet in the next video. Take care. Bye.